Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be doing a Boxy charm unboxing. We're gonna have February's and January's Boxy charm unboxing. So without further ado, let's get started. So I have February's and January's Boxy charm that I'm gonna open with you guys. Why do I have January's, or why didn't I film before the January box? I received my box, but it was like with some of my stuff spilled and like messed up my packaging, and I had to like reorder a new one, and I had to tell them to resend it. I do buy this with my own money, so they replaced it. It's the first time that ever happens to me with Boxy charm, but they replaced it right away, and I just received it like in the beginnings of February. So I'm going to show you what's in the for this month is Boxy charm XOXO, and here are the stuff that includes in them. Oops, sorry. So the first thing I see here is the Garnier brush set, and it's a cute pink packaging. Is really cute. I'm so excited for this. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. So it's brushes, like, I don't know how to tell you, but let me take them off the packaging. Okay, there. Look at these, they're so cute. So this is how they look, and this is it has little hearts inside. I think that's so cute. And this retails, so this Garnier 4-piece set Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection retails for $29. It's a new launch, and that's what it states here. Okay, so the next thing I see is it's the Ace Beauty Nostalgic Palette. Oh my god, the packaging on this is beautiful. This is how it looks like, and it has a great size mirror, and these are the shadows. They're so cute, and this retails for $39. $38.99. $39. Okay, I think this is so cute. And the next thing I see is the Saturday Skin UZ Vitamin C Mask, and this is how this looks like. So like I mentioned, for my January box, all of my packaging was, I mean, you'll see right now, but all of my packaging was disgusting. So this is how it looks like. If you guys hear anything, that's my baby. Oh, and it comes with a little spoolie. And this is how the product looks like. It does have some like texture to it. I don't know if I mentioned already, but it does retail for $29. Is a lightweight mask that works while you sleep to deliver moisture while targeting the look of aging, dullness, pore, stress, and texture. This unique jelly texture mask is crafted with yuzu fruit, which contains 3 times more vitamin C than any other citrus. That sounds very, very, very good for your skin. Okay, so the next thing I see here is the, what is it? Okay, this is the Tresk. This is for the mascara and the eyeliner. This is how it looks like. So I remember seeing this before in Boxy charm, and I really enjoyed the mascara, and I didn't enjoy because it comes with like a eyelash curler already like on the mascara, which is a good idea, but it doesn't work like as it should. It kind of like pinches your eyes sometimes when you're trying to use it. So this is retails for $44. It's okay. So then I see the Saint Luxe limited edition liner duo. So it's liners. I think they're lip liners by the look of them. So this is what they look like. It's a pinky nude and a nude. Let me swatch them for you. Oh, I like the pointy tip. So this is Secret Admirer. That's Secret Admirer. This is how it looks like. That's the one I really. And this is Love Letter. This one right here on this side. So this is Secret Admirer and Love Letter. Like that. Really cute. So I think that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 5. So this retails for $40, which is really good. So I'm going to go ahead and add up the whole box. The total retail price of the box is $181 with 94 cents, which is a good deal. So what I received in my first January box was, so we'll start off with the January box, the one that came off like wet or whatever due to the spilling of the product on one of the products. So it was Fresh Start was the theme for January. And the first thing I see is the Violet Boss eyeshadow palette, and this is how it looks like. So the packaging is just the same as the palette, as the actual palette. Oh, this is gorgeous. So it's kind of like fall vibes, you can say. Yeah, by the colors, it's gorgeous, and it does come with a good size mirror. And this retails for $34. I've never owned a Violet Voss palette, but I've heard good reviews on it, and it's a great palette. And the next thing I see is the Pharmacy Deep Sweet 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. When I saw this, I'm like, Pharmacy? Nice. So this retails for $28. Let me take it out the packaging. So let me show you how it looks like. It's really good. It has like some, what are those, papayas? Some papaya. Oh my god, the packaging is gorgeous. I didn't even open it. Yeah, so this is how it looks like, and I'm really excited to try this. Okay, so the next thing I see is Miscellar Water. So this is what spilled in my box. This is what caused everything to look all ugly. Good thing not all of it spilled. Only like, it was like very little that spilled. Only that much. I haven't used it or anything like that, but that's what spilled. So this retails for $90. So I was just like, okay, something that's $90 and it comes and it spills, I wasn't okay with that. So yeah, so it retails for $90. And then the next thing I see is a Vice Sort. Oh my god, please don't, I'm like straight up butchering these names. It's a makeup base eye primer. So this is an eye primer. So this is what the packaging looks like. So I don't even want to show you guys exactly how it came in, like even open like that, and I was just like, what is that? So this is how it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out so you can see how it looks. So that's how it looks, and that retails for $24. I am not like a big like I'll go and I'll purchase eye primers, eyeshadow primers, but you know, when you receive it on your BoxyCharm, I mean, why not try it? I usually use concealer to prime my lids. So the next thing I see is a Bali Balm. It's a lip balm, and then this retails for $33, which is good. I mean, a lip balm for $33. And this is how the packaging looks like. It's all beat up due to the spilling. And this is how the, oh, it's like a clear balm, and it does have like a minty scent to it. So this retails for $33, and oh, it has coconut oil and vitamin C. It's great. So I'm gonna add up the total of this box. The grand total of this box is $209, which I was just like, I mean, it's a good box, but I didn't think that was okay. So what they replaced me with was a replacement box, and it wasn't the same items in my previous box. So it wasn't the same items that I just showed you. So I was kind of bummed about it. I mean, it's good because you don't have like, I think it's good because you don't have like two of the same products, and then I'm gonna add some of that. And then you're left with like two of the same products, or like all of the same products. So this is what they sent me. It's just like a regular paper, but it states me what I received. So what I first seen was this Luxie glitter gold set. So this is how it looks like, and I was really amazed to see this in my Boxy charm. I haven't received this in like my other previous boxes. This is the first time I ever see it, and this is how it looks like. So it's a 8-piece brush set. It just stays here. No, and this retails for $85. So the bristles are extremely soft. I mean, Luxie, come on. I've seen this. I've received Luxie brushes by Boxy Charms once before. It was like a pink set of 2, and I mean, these are gorgeous. So this is how it looks like, and I love the little packaging it comes in. Very February Valentine's Day vibes. So again, that retails for $85. So the next thing I see is the Icon. What is this? Icon Glaze Chaser Face Palette. So this is yeah, an ultra. So I'm guessing it comes with 2 bronzers, 2 highlights, and a brush, and 3 bronzers. No, it comes with
few moments later.
So it comes with 2 blushes, 2 bronzers, and 2 highlights. So I'm gonna swatch the highlight for you, and that's how that very subtle highlight. That's how that looks like. And then lastly, we have, right? Let's see. Oh no, we still have one more thing. I have another eyeshadow palette. And this is how it looks like. And I see blues, and I'm like, wow, I love these blues. Looks really nice. So it's a Hip Dot eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $30. And it says, and okay, I see Mexico in here, so I'm gonna read it. Unleash your inner goodness through the alluring blues and glamoring golds and cenote and homage to the scarred underground pools of Mexico. In the Hyper Pigment palette, you'll find a mix of mattes and shimmers pulled directly from the magical deep. Cenote. I don't know if you pronounce it in Spanish. Cenote. I don't know. So this is gorgeous. I mean, I have a palette that is inspired by Mexico's underground pools, or whatever that is. I am super stunned. So lastly, a MAC lipstick. I've never owned a MAC lipstick, so I am super excited for this. And I mean, I don't gravitate towards colors like this, but I mean, I will. the formula. It's really nice. I see them when I first started like exploring YouTube or like finding YouTube. I used to see a lot of the makeup artists will rave about this, but I don't know, I never really caught my eye to buy one and try it. But now that I received it, I'm super excited for it. So that's it for this box, and I'm gonna go ahead and total of this box is $189. So this is my replacement, basically replacing the products that were damaged in my January's box. So I am very satisfied with my replacement. They did a great job with sending me like very good replacements. So without further ado, let's go ahead and move on to testing the products. So now we are going to put these babies in our face. So I wanted to go ahead and use this brush set, but I don't know, it's so cute, I don't want to dirty it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with and open this one up. I'm gonna remove all the packaging from it. My husband's home from work. So I'm going to start with eye primer. So I'm gonna prime my eyes just so I can use this primer. Then I'll go ahead and do my foundation. If you can hear, it's my baby talking to his dad. And I already kind of did my eyebrows, but they're already off. So I just went in with that eye primer that came in. And I already added some more lip balm. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to foundation. I am going to be using the Urban Decay. This one is all beat up. I'm on my last drops. And I'm going to be adding this all over my face. And I'll be using this sponge. I bought this sponge at the 99 cents only. And it's a really good sponge. It's really bouncy. I've owned the beauty blender, and it's just like the beauty blender, like exactly, like just by the way, I mean the texture and how it's made reminds me so much of the beauty blender. I always take my foundation all the way into my eyes because it kind of acts like a corrector for me. Make sure hope my shirt's not disturbing. I haven't put on my contacts, so if you see me squinching a lot, it's because of that. Sometimes I dirty them with makeup while they're on my eye, and it's really hard for me to see after. Okay, so for concealer, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline concealer, and I will be mixing two shades. I will be mixing Medium Moyen and Honey Miel. Well, I think it's in Spanish and in English. Honey Miel. So I'll add the miel first because it's like a darker, like an orange. Not orange, but it has more orange undertones. And then I'll add the lighter shade. I dropped something. And again, I take it all the way up in my eyes. Even if I have that primer. Oh, that primer is throwing me off. Look how it's making my foundation. Remove everything I could from that primer. Okay, no. Definitely you have to do your eyes first and then wipe out like the excess of on the sides that you put, because that primer is no good. mixing it with the foundation and the concealer. It looked horrible. It still kind of looks like it's breaking out my foundation. I don't know what to do. This concealer has very light coverage. I like using this concealer when I do my no makeup days. Oh my god, I was having a hard time with that primer, and I think I still do, but I'm just gonna work with that. Okay, and to set my face, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me Powder. Mine is all beat up, and I am using the shade 20. And I'll be grabbing this brush from that set. And I'll lightly dust it under my eye. Since I have that whole concealer thing, I mean the primer, I don't want to set too much. I don't want to bake actually, because I just want to set, because that eye primer threw me off. So I am going to try and do like a Valentine's look. I don't know if I should use this palette since I have some pinks, or should I use this. I can use these as like my transitions, but not for, it doesn't have, we don't have like a light pink. I mean, we have this one, but no, I don't think I'll be using a shimmer from here. I'm going to get something else. I got these two little dual things from Ace Beauty, also from Boxy Charm. I'm probably gonna, I'm thinking about using one of these, but it kind of looks like the same shade that we have in one of the palettes. Oh, and it's from the same, it's from Ace Beauty. It's a slight lighter. This is darker, a little darker. Okay, so now I'll move on to eyes. I'm all over the place. Okay, so for eyes, I will be getting, I don't know what to use from all of this. The shade from the Hip Dot palette, and I'll be adding that to my crease. Oh, looks a little darker on the eyes. That's what tends to happen with a lot of these shadows. Well, with any shadow in the pamphlet, it looks like a lighter shade, and then you add it to your eyes, and it ends up looking like a whole different shade. I went too much on that eye. Trying to like flare it out a little bit, just like that. And then to kind of like tone it down a little, I'm gonna use that shade, and it's the one I used was Ojos, and this one's Bedrock. I'm going to look into this brand. I don't know if it's a Latino owned brand, but if it is, I already love it. I kind of toned it down a little bit. Yeah, it sure did something to tone it down a little bit. Okay, so now I'll be moving on to this palette, and I will be getting this pinky shade here, and also I'll add it to my crease. Hopefully it can tone down that orange shade and make it look more of a pinky tone. Just like that. Okay, so now I would come out these palettes. I don't even know what to use. Let me go with this one. I don't know which one. You know what? I'll go with this one. I'm gonna take this shade Infinity. No. Infatuated. This one right here. And again, I'll add it to my crease. Well, actually, I'm gonna add this to my lid. Just like that. Okay, so now I'm going to clean that brush, and I am going to be applying that one pinky shade. You know, I'll go with this one to kind of smooth that out a little bit. Just like that. And this is from that Ace Beauty palette. This one right here. With every eye palette and eyeshadow palette, it does have some kickoff or kickback, whatever that is. Kickback. Always, every palette does that. Could be like from the most expensive brand to the cheapest brand, most affordable brand, sorry. They all have kickback. There we go. So then I'll take this brush from the eye collection brush, and I'll take that same shade from this palette that I took, and I'll make it like, to make it a little bit darker down here, so you can see like that. Just like that. And then I'll take that, I think I'll go with this one. Yeah, we're gonna go with this one, and this is the Iced Latte Glimmer Shadow, and this is how it looks like. My hand's full. It's like a smoky latte color. And I'll add this into in my inner corner, kind of like not bringing it all the way up, but just right there, like right in the inner corner of my eye. These things remind me so much of the ColourPop Shock Shadows. I think that's what they're called. And the formula and everything. But I think I like these a little bit better than the ColourPops. Just like that. You see that? Okay. Kind of. Okay, so now we move on to mascara. Let me remind you that I don't wear lashes. I'm going to try and venture out my comfort zone and use some lashes for you guys, but for now I won't. So I'm going to be using the mascara that came, but I received this in my previous Boxy charm maybe like 4 months back, I'm gonna say, and I still have this. So I'm gonna go ahead and try out the eyelash curler for you, but like again, I do not like it. You have to be really careful, because if not, it would pinch you. So this is the before, this is the after. So I'm gonna try the other eye. I mean, it doesn't do much to your eyelashes, but I mean, I like the concept, but does it work? No. But the formula on this mascara, I mean, look. It's a great formula. Great mascara. I love it. I take it with me when I travel, because it's a good mascara. It doesn't never fail me. Just like that. And this is only like one coat, you know? I just went in with 2 coats, but I just want you to see how it looks with just 1 coat. You see, it's a great mascara. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, so we'll move on to lower lash line. For lower lash line, I'll be going in with that one shade that we use for our lids, and I'll be smudging it out in my bottom. I don't think I have a red brush for that. This is too fluffy. Then they have a eyebrow brush. I'm gonna try and use this. These both kind of look like this, like kind of the same color, but this has like a little pink. What am I doing? No, it's not gonna work. I'm gonna take the one I use for my lid. Oh yeah, that's much better. Just like that. Great, so now I'll go in with the second coat of mascara, kind of letting it dry for a little bit, and then before you go in with your second layer, I mean, when you really truly see how good a mascara is when you add it to your bottom lashes. Because your bottom lashes are very little, and you'll see if it does anything to your bottom lashes. Look what I did. Oh my god. You see, it's a great mascara. Just like that. I'm gonna try and remove that mascara thing that I put here. Okay, so my shirt's stressing me. Okay, so now we'll move on to bronzer. And for bronzer, I'll be taking this shade from the Icon London. And I'll be using this brush. See if it works with that. Grab another brush. Kind of like for cream contouring. But I'll use it for this. Because I don't contour. Like, or bronze. I mean, I do bronze, but I don't contour. Due to my cheekbones already being so sharp. Like, this brush is very, very, very soft. Okay, now I'm gonna grab the same brush that I set with, kind of blend that out. And also use, I don't know what's that, it has to be the foundation that's making me look luminous, because I haven't added any highlight. So for highlight, this is a matte shade, and this is a shimmer. It has like a little shimmery shade. I think I'll mix both a little bit, mainly most of the matte one. It's very light for me, not that pale, but it works. You can kind of see it. Okay, I have to go. So for highlight, then I'll be taking this highlight. The top one, kind of, it's a little too dark for me. I mean, if I mix it, it'll work. Yeah, if I mix it, it'll work. But I'll just go in with one. Yeah, I'm gravitating towards this one. I wish I would have had a pinky shade in it. That's really cute. Can definitely see that glow. Go ahead and add it to my Cupid's bow, the tip of my nose, and my bridge. Just like that. Really, really like this. So for lips, I am going to take the MAC lipstick and see how that looks. If not, I will change it. Yes, I'm just gonna show you how it looks, and then I'll take it off, because I don't think it goes with this look, but I'll show you. Just so you can see it. I'm breaking out. Hate that. No, I do not like it. I'm gonna go. Okay, so my I just seen a video of I Love Sarai. Oh, see, my shirt is very it's very loose from the top. I don't know. She does this to her lashes, and I was just like, oh my god, I do that, and I just didn't show it to you guys because I thought you guys were gonna think it was dumb. But right after I finish applying, like kind of like where it's not even dry yet, but it's exactly how she does it, I go ahead and I go like this to my lashes, and it'll give them like a little volume. And I was just like, oh my god, I do that too. And I was just like very, I don't know, I was just like, wow, she does that too. Okay, so for lips, this is a Holla, yeah, this lipstick. And I also received this on my Boxy charm. Yeah, it wouldn't be a video. And it's like a pinky nude. Hola Neon, and it's a velvet liquid lipstick, and it's in the shade DF, I believe. I'm not sure that's what it is. I think I'm gonna add a gloss. Yeah. Yeah, let me go ahead and add the gloss. Okay. And this is from Essence. This is Gold in a Bottle. It's like gold in a bottle. Let me go like this so I can get that off. I'm gonna in my teeth. Okay, so I'm not very convinced of this lip, but I'll leave it on just for the sake of this video. So for setting, I'll set my face with the I'm in Beauty Project, and I also got sent this by Boxy Charm. Maybe, yeah, in my previous boxes. I don't know when. I also purchased this from Dollar Tree. I have a mini haul. I don't know if you guys, if I want to do it here, but because I don't want to do a dedicated video for it, I'll do it in my next video. But this is gorgeous from Dollar Tree. $1 and Dollar Tree. Love it. Okay, so after I'm done with that, I go ahead and I don't know how you say this, but I kind of like blend everything with my beauty blender and make sure that there's no harsh lines and anything like that. So this is it. This is the makeup look I came up with using Boxy Charm